Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good morning,
morning.
ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Ma'am,
morning.
today we will start question answer.
Yes, we will start question answers today, but we need to
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
my voice is not coming.
Ma'am, coming.
Ma'am, now it is coming.
Now it is coming.
Okay. Let it come then. Fine. What I am saying,
I stand the present, ma'am.
Ma'am,
yes, who is present?
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in this period, can we do an activity now? Ma'am, we will do one question answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, section A has finished the chapter.
Beta, chapter. I was with class A only. No, I was
No,
with.
ma'am.
I
Ma'am,
was
we have
with
to
B
start
section.
with.
Beta, A
Ma'am, you were
section.
with B.
I was with B section. A has already completed.
Ma'am, we have to start with question answers.
So, ma'am, we can do. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we are going to start question answers. But, ma'am, the meeting is ending.
हाँ,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. देखो, wait. With both the section C section, I have already completed this, right? So what I want is there should be symmetry in the syllabus that we are going through, right? Shagun, how are you, beta?
I'm fine.
Good. Okay. So with B section, only two topics are left: burning of rivers, right? Burning of rivers, we were burning the fields we were doing. So this burning the fields and construction of dams we will do, and then we'll go to question answers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I will play an activity with you in which you have to tell. I will show you some pictures where you have to recognize and you have to tell that what exactly is that picture about, right?
Okay, ma'am.
But before that, let us do the topics that are not covered with the B section. A section has already covered those topics, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Right. So we were on the burning of fields. Now, what is this burning of fields? Do you know?
Yes, ma'am.
What do we have in burning of fields? Like yesterday with 8th, I asked them, how many of you have observed that Nakatia river and the fields that are made near the Nakatia, this thing? Have you observed?
Yes, ma'am.
Ha. Now see what happens. The river that flows, that has the whenever the river water level rises, it has the tendency to move towards the land areas, right? Towards the banks or the uh, corners, right? Towards the banks. So just to avoid the eroding of the soil, the fields are made along these river beds so that these fields can utilize the water, as well as it does not allow the soil erosion easily by the flowing water, right class?
Yes, ma'am.
This is clear, burning
Yes,
of fields then? Okay, fine, very good. Now coming to the last coming to the last topic of the soil conservation, that is
Bunding of fields.
no.
Construction of dams.
Yes, construction of dams. Constructing dams. We all know the places where we have more of the rivers, and those areas which are low lying areas where the where during the monsoons the floods they come. So in that case, to avoid floods, dams could be constructed, and the dams will store the excess water that comes, and in return of the construction of the dams, what will happen? The soil erosion that takes place, the soil will be conserved, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Now these dams, they are of multi-purpose. You know, there are several purposes which are fulfilled by constructing the dams, right, class?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Anji. So with this, the method of soil conservation we have completed. Let us do the exercises. I have with 8th A exercises we have done up till, I think, D, right?
Ma'am, fill in the blanks.
Yes,
ma'am.
let's till D we have done. Yes, till D we have done.
Yes.
We have to start with B, right? So,
Yes, ma'am.
B
Yes,
section.
ma'am.
So, B section, what you are going to do, you are going to take 5 minutes to find the answers, and then I'll be asking you, right? Right, class?
Ma'am, what eighth will do?
8th A will find the answers to the questions that are there. Okay? Do it, beta, quickly.
मैम क्वेश्चन आंसर्स ऑफ चैप्टर 1
नो चैप्टर 2 बेटा, 1 तो हमने बहुत पहले कर लिया था बच्चे.
ओह सॉरी मैम आई डोंट नो
कोई बात नहीं, डोंट से सॉरी बच्चे. आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड, मे बी यू वर नॉट देयर.
मैम आई हैव डन choose the correct answer
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Ma'am, I
Yes.
have drawn the diagram.
Ma'am, am I audible now?
Yes, you're on.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I can't see the board properly.
Ma'am, we are able to see.
Then which diagram we will draw?
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, we have to draw this flowchart on ma'am blank page.
Yes, beta, on blank page.
Ma'am, please, ma'am, I can't see the board.
Don't tell me. Board is so clear. Tanishka, is it clear or not?
Ma'am, it is clear.
Yes, ma'am, clear. Ma'am, ma'am on my screen it is only showing third and fourth point.
It is showing.
Ma'am, I
only-
think ma'am he is using my mobile.
Now it is okay.
Ma'am, first point is not visible only.
Beta, all the points are there now in the screen. Everything is visible. You
Yes,
check.
ma'am.
You check your screen first.
Ma'am, we have to make the chart of soil types of India at a glance on the blank side, or ma'am?
No, beta, on the ruled side. On the ruled side. This is a table that.
Ma'am, done the exercises.
Very good. You draw this flowchart that I am drawing over here.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, which chapter we done? Ma'am, which chapter we do?
This is chapter 2, beta.
Oh, land and soil resources.
Yes,
Which
yes.
page? One page number.
This is on page number 141.
41.
And ma'am, diagram of soil profile on
Yes.
143 page.
Yes, everything I have written, mentioned. Draw diagram of soil profile on page 143. Do the map in notebook showing various soil types on page 144, page 145. The chart that is given in the book, that chart you need to make in your notebook on the ruled side.
Ma'am, what is written after conserve? Measures to conserve?
Soil. Measures
Okay,
to conserve soil.
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
Ma'am, now can we
Yes.
discuss that? Discuss the exercises.
Beta, do this flowchart first. Make this flowchart, beta, first, है ना?
Conservation of soil. Ma'am.
Hanji, yes, beta, this one. Do it directly in the
ma'am.
fair notebook if you have it, okay?
Yes. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, how many chapters of geography are coming in UT?
Beta, 2 chapters will come.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, our UTs are in May.
June end.
Okay, ma'am.
Beta, once you are done with this, tell me. I have to give you soil erosion also. Okay?
Ma'am, done.
Better let others also do it first, okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Tanishka.
Ma'am, you will give ma'am second flow chart on ma'am soil erosion. Ma'am is in ma'am this page only. Ma'am, I have a page.
You
Ma'am,
can
I
make,
have-
you can make there only.
I'm done.
Ma'am, done.
हाँ जी बेटा.
Done, ma'am.
All have done. Shall I rub?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I
Yes,
have
ma'am.
done.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, is the soil erosion flow chart is long? Ma'am, because my half page is left. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, my half page is left. So, ma'am, can I leave this or ma'am, from this only? Soil
If you have,
erosion flow.
if you have space, you can make it from there only. Right?
Ma'am, I have half page.
हाँ, आराम से you can make it. Easy.
Okay, ma'am.
Shall I rub the above lines which are there? Have you all noted down?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, there is someone in meeting. My name is Man.
My name is Manrina Rawal, beta. Manrina, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you have given people to doubt, to start doubting. When you have
Ma'am, Manrina Rawal.
I know that,
Ma'am,
but
he's saying that.
somebody is
Ma'am,
there.
he's saying that.
Man.
Man.
Somebody is there with the name of, my name is Man, right? Because Reena was not visible. No, that is why. It's okay. So, completely fine.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, please zoom the camera.
I need to zoom the camera. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, now it's okay.
Now it's okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I can't see the screen.
Who is not able to see the screen?
Mommy.
This me has a name or not? Right, this is the second flowchart that I have completed. Beta, who is not able to see the screen, please tell your name, bacha.
No, ma'am, now I'm able.
Okay, now
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, beta.
Ma'am, this types of soil erosion flowchart, we have to draw this in blank page or ruled page.
Blank page, beta, blank page.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Done?
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Bhi, bacha.
Ma'am, first you said that we have to make on ruled page.
Ruled page pe you need to make the table of the soil, no? Soils at a glance, that you need to make in the rule side.
Ma'am, done.
Done.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
please wait
ma'am.
for 2 minutes.
Ma'am,
Hanji, beta.
ma'am, question answers, ma'am, and ma'am, long question answer, ma'am. There is a question, ma'am. Ma'am, that to draw, ma'am, draw and label a diagram of ma'am soil type, ma'am. Ma'am, but ma'am, I have drawn the diagram with ma'am example, ma'am, but I have drawn the diagram, ma'am, where ma'am key terms are written. So, ma'am, what should I do?
You specify that please refer to the diagram on page so and so. If the numbering is written on the pages.
No, ma'am, I have not written numbering. So, ma'am, I will, ma'am, write the in front of diagram that it is the of ma'am answer number 1 long.
हाँ, ऐसे कर लो. Bracket में you specify. Bracket में you can write always.
Ma'am, done.
Very good.
Ma'am, now what we have to write?
Beta, let others also complete because I think many have not completed. They are not responding only.
Okay, ma'am.
Manrina, have you done? Can you show it?
Yes, ma'am.
Manrina, show beta.
Ma'am, but I made it on ruled page.
Show it, no problems.
Ma'am, shown.
I have
Sure.
also done.
Okay,
Those who have done, kindly share it, kindly show it on your screens.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. Very good, Mandrina. What about the other things? Diagrams, are you drawing the diagram also? Don't sit idle. No,
Yes,
you can.
ma'am.
You can. Diagram you have drawn.
Started drawing.
Very good. Very good, Tanishka. Nice. What about Shashank? Natik, your screen is not clear. Yes.
Ma'am, can I make a diagram of soil erosion?
Yes. Yes. You.
Soil
That
profile.
soil profile diagram. Of course, you have to make. Beta, I have written no.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, now,
Yes.
ma'am, now can you see?
Yes, Natik, I can. Very good. Very good, Bata. Very good. You can color it also if you want. Pencil colors only, no other colors. Right?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, now our next period is on.
We have to make soil profile diagram also.
Yes, Aditya. Soil profile diagram also you have to make.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ji, bacha.
Ma'am, now we will able to do the question answer on in the next week.
Yes, yes. No, why next week? We have a class also. We
No,
don't
ma'am,
have.
only 2 classes we have in the week.
Arey, to, this
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
I am saying that Saturday we
ma'am.
have a class, and you never know. I get an arrangement tomorrow again. So we'll be advantageous.
Yes,
that,
ma'am.
right?
Ma'am, we can use the sketch pen in our notebooks.
Yes, yes. You
Excuse
can.
me, ma'am.
Yes, but sketch pens, don't
Okay,
use
ma'am.
sketch pens, beta. Don't use the sketch pens. Only pencil colors, no other color.
Okay, ma'am.
Huh?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ji, beta.
Ma'am, in soil profile, substratum means parent material, no?
Substratum?
Yes, ma'am.
No, no. In soil profile, substratum is the
Ma'am.
layer, is that layer which is above the parent bedrock and below the subsoil.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm?
Ma'am, I was saying that in our last year book, the parent material was at the 3rd number and bedrock was at the last.
Beta, we need to go by the book that we have, no?
Okay, ma'am.
Right? Hmm.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, is it necessary to color the diagram?
The soil profile one, of course, you need to use colors in that, because how will you show the different parts that are there? Remember when I made the diagram, I also used the colors that I had with me. Okay?
Ma'am, we have to use ma'am green, black.
Whichever colors are given over here, those you need to use. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Huh.
Bill,
Yes, Ranshir, you are saying something?
Ma'am, am I audible now?
Yes, you are now audible. Why do you leave? Why are you leaving the meeting again and again? Huh?
Ma'am, my mother's hotspot is running off and on again and again. That's why
Okay, so
I'm
then
trying to join it again and again.
it's okay. Network is the issue, I believe. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
It's okay. Absolutely fine. No problems. I also understand. These are general problems that we face, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I hope you have copied down the work that was written on the board.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, made the diagram.
Made the diagram. Those who have made, those who have done the diagram, done the flowchart, they can show it there on the screen. I'll see.
Yes.
Ma'am, diagram. Ma'am, but ma'am, not color.
It's okay. You show me the plain diagram that you have made. You can color it afterwards.
Should I show my flowchart again?
No, not again. Very good, Tanishka. Very good. You can color it, okay, later on.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now I'm showing my diagram.
Gauransh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you show your work? Yes, fine, Manrina.
Ma'am, see mine.
I have seen, very good. Diagrams are to be drawn on the plain side, bacha, not on the ruled ones. Is it your fair notebook, Manrina?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, you need to draw the diagrams on the plain side, not on the ruled lines. What is the use of having intra-leaf notebooks then?
Now onwards, I will draw on the plain side.
Right.
Ma'am, if she has made with pencil, so ma'am, she can erase and draw on the plain side.
She'll do that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. What about Gauransh? Have you made?
No, ma'am.
Beta, why wasting time unnecessarily then, bacha? I gave you time here.
Ma'am, I am making.
You are making? Beta, see, one very important thing, whatever written work is given to you, you need to do that written work. Otherwise, no marks will be given to you for the classwork assignment, right? You need to be very particular about your written work.
Ma'am, my work is already completed.
Very good. I would like to
Excuse
see.
me, ma'am.